Hi, in this video, let me show you how to fix a paper jam on your Epson ET-3950 or ET-3958 printer. In case you're having a paper jam, there's a few different places where you can check. All right, so the first place where I suggest looking, well, turn the printer around and on its back over here, this is made for a paper jam. So you're gonna pinch and you're gonna pull. Take a look inside, and if you see any stuck paper, take it using your fingers or with a pair of tweezers. Take a look really well. There's a good chance this is where it is. You can also take a look on this door. Sometimes the paper can get stuck over there. Another place where you can check, tilt this screen in this position, and okay, you're going to put your finger here and you're going to push up. Take a look inside. This is another place where paper can get stuck. If some paper gets stuck under this, under these print heads, okay, right over there, and these print heads cannot slide left and right, it will give you this error message. So remove any debris, anything that you find on this track over here. If you have a paper jam issue regarding the top document feeder, the scanner on the top, open this panel and then open the one on the back here. That's another place where paper can sometimes get stuck. At the end, I suggest that once you fixed the problem and you found which paper was stuck, to remove the power port, the power cable here, wait around 30 seconds and then plug it back, turn on your printer, and it should work, and the error message should also disappear. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.